Here's just a quick little tutorial if you need to resize your card template because you've changed the size of your card. So let's just have a quick look at how to do that. So you will see this comes with 4 layers down there. Now this one is just some quick instructions on how to attach things, so you can delete that before you cut it. But what we'll need to do is we'll just highlight the blue square here, and that brings that one up there. So I've put this in inches to make it a bit easier. So to adjust this card, what you'll need to do is just resize this box. So I suggest that you make this box just slightly larger than your card. So if you imagine putting your card into an envelope, and if it's got a few layers, then it'll need a bit of room around the side of it. So if your card is 6 inches by 6 inches, then you'll probably need to just make this maybe 6.5, 6.6, something like that. So once you've done that, you'll see it's separate. Now, if we just put it back where it was and we click on this part of the card here, and I'll just arrange it so that that goes to the back. Actually, I'll click on this one and send that to the front. There we go, that's better. So if we click on the top of the envelope here, now we can just resize this so that this blue square fits. If I just resize it, you want the corners of this blue square to be in the corners of the black piece. So we'll just resize it just a little bit more so that it fits about there. Perfect. So this piece here needs to line up with this, so we'll just resize that one as well. There we go. Okay, so then we've resized it. So we will just highlight this bit and delete that. So before we go to cut it out, what we need to do with this blue square is we just need to go up here to basic cut and change that to score. So first we make sure we ungroup them, that's better. So then we highlight the envelope and the score line and we attach those together. So when we go to make it, you will see this piece has a score line and a basic cut, and the second piece has the other little piece on it. Now I have made another video on how to actually cut out the card, and I'll link that in the description below, but this was just how to resize the card. Hope that helped. Thanks.